Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this beginner's video I will show you how to check the engine oil on a Dodge Journey. This video should apply to Dodge Journeys made from 2009 all the way up to 2020. If you find this video helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. First, I will mention you want to check the engine oil probably first time in the morning after the vehicle was sitting for a while and the engine was not running, and also make sure that the vehicle is parked on a flat area, not downhill or uphill. All you will need is some kind of a tissue or a shop towel, and you will pull this stick out all the way. And once you pull it out, if you check the engine oil right now, you will see that the whole stick is kind of oily. So what you have to do, first you have to wipe down this stick with the cloth, and then you will insert this stick back into its place, and then you will pull it out and get the accurate reading. Okay, so I've just cleaned it. Now I will show you before I insert it back in. You will see here word safe on the stick, and generally you want to be with the oil just between these two markings, right? This is the low and this is the high, so you want to be just somewhere in the middle. If you're under this marking here, that means you have to add a bit of oil to get here. If you are over it, that means your engine oil is a bit overfilled. And now what you will do next, like I said, just insert the stick back inside all the way and then pull it straight out, and then you will get the reading. Okay, so I've just pulled it out and I will try to zoom it in so you can see. So mine is just under the top mark. Not sure if you can see this. It's kind of hard to record, but you probably get the idea, right? I just did a fresh oil change on this vehicle, so the oil is nice and light brownish color, right? The longer you drive, the darker the oil will be. If your oil is completely like black or dark, that means it's definitely time for the oil change. And yeah, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.